Miss Chaitanya, your interview is on which date and in which place?
So it's on 11th of February in Bangalore, sir.
Good. So, is this the first bank interview you are attending, or you have attended other interviews earlier?
No, sir, this is the first bank interview that I'm attending.
Have you attended any other company interviews earlier?
Yes, sir. After my BCom, I had worked for Ernest and Young, so I attended the interview for that company, sir.
Sir, you were working in Ernst and Young.
Yes, sir. I was working. I worked only for 6 to 7 months. It was the time of COVID, sir. So,
So, how long? Why did you come out of it? Was it that the salary is very low?
salary is good, sir. Experience is also good. I wanted to do my higher studies. What I had planned was for 1 year of work, sir. But due to COVID, my date of joining got extended, and that is why I had to end it up at 6 to 7 months, sir. If not, I would have continued it for 1 year.
Now, what is the post graduation you did?
Mcom, sir.
Oh, after BCom, MCom.
Yes, sir.
In MCom, what are the important subjects you studied?
Sir, in MCom, first I have taken MCom General, sir. So we had marketing. They introduced us to some subjects in a very basic level. So from the second year, they asked us to take specialization. So I specialized myself in finance. We had taxation subject also, sir. Everything they just taught us in a basic level, because in MCom they mostly focus on research papers, sir.
What are the 5 P's of marketing?
Product, price, place, uh, promotion. Uh, that's it, sir. I don't remember that.
Anybody else can add? What are the 5 P's of marketing?
Last one is people.
Last
Okay,
one
okay.
is
Thank
people.
you. Okay, thank you.
You
Sorry.
did you tell 4 or 3 only?
I told four, sir.
Acha. Can you please
Hmm.
repeat again all the 5?
Product, price, promotion, place, people.
Acha. Good. Can you please
Thank
elaborate on product from the angle of banks?
Banks. Okay. So for banks, product is their services that they offer to customers. For example, it can be deposit services like savings account, different types of savings account that they offer, loan accounts. It can also be insurance that the bank provides through bank assurance services. It can also be their loan and investment services that they provide. Recently, banks have also ventured into providing investment services. So these are the different kinds of products that a bank can offer.
While talking about it, you could have mentioned about bank assurance services and also mutual fund services. That
Okay, okay,
these two
okay.
you doesn't matter. No problem. You can
I'll
also
take note.
include about the services that banks give by way of internet banking, mobile
Okay.
banking, and all that.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sure,
good.
sure, sir. I'll take note of that.
Chaitanya. You are from which
Yes.
place?
So I am born, brought up, and settled in Karnataka,
State, there
but
is district or place,
sorry,
location,
sir. I'm in
location.
Bangalore, sir. Bangalore.
Oh, Bangalore. Acha, acha. Good,
Yes,
good.
sir. But my mother tongue is Malayalam, sir.
Oh, oh.
From
You
Kerala.
know
Yes, sir.
speaking Malayalam,
Yes, sir. I know to speak in Malayalam.
writing,
Writing, I don't know, sir. I can read, but writing it takes time for me, so I don't know.
but you know Kannada language.
Yes, sir. I know to read, write, and I've studied it from when I was young, sir. So I know Kannada.
Please talk in Kannada language about Karnataka Bank. It's very glory, importance. If you want, you can see the points from the screen and then speak in Kannada language. I
Okay,
think
sir.
their website itself is not in Kannada, na? Only English and English only, na?
Yes, sir.
No,
It's
sir.
only in English.
In English, Hindi, and Kannada, three languages are there.
Okay.
It is there.
Yes, sir, at the top,
Mm.
right.
Oh, I don't know. I have not seen that. Thank you, thank you. Now,
Okay.
uh, if you want,
Huh.
you can see Kannada of Karnataka banks. Tell me important points.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. I'll start, sir. ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು 11th of February 1924 ರಂದು. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಹೆಡ್ ಕ್ವಾರ್ಟರ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರು and one second. I'm so sorry, sir. It was sudden. So one second, sir. I just opened the.
So you are comfortable in English?
Sir, I just mix up the languages, sir. That's the problem.
You should not mix up too much. We want you speak fully
No,
in.
sir. Like,
You want you speak fully in English, no problem. I thought you will be feeling more comfortable if I ask you to speak in Kannada language. That's why.
uh, I feel comfortable in Kannada also, sir. But in college, we used to speak English continuously. So whenever I make any official, whenever I speak officially, automatically English comes in, sir.
So please
That's
talk in English. Tell me about Karnataka Bank in English.
Okay. So Karnataka Bank is a scheduled commercial bank which comes in the Schedule 2 of Reserve Bank of India. It was set up on 18th of February 1924 in Bangalore by Sri Vyasaraya Char. It now completed 100 years of outstanding growth and performances. We know that this 100 years of services that Karnataka Bank, it has faced various problems, like starting from our independence movement, COVID-19, it can be, or the global financial crisis that we saw in the year 2018. Even though all of these crises were there, Karnataka Bank has actually stood up as a very strong bank, which has marked continuous growth since its inception. Currently, it is serving its major customers across 915 branches. It has 13 plus million customers through its various services, which is infused with artificial intelligence and machine learning technology as well. That's it, sir.
That's all. See, whenever
Yes,
we
sir.
speak about a bank, we should tell the year in which it was started, the present MD and CEO of the bank, the
Okay.
headquarters where it is situated, the number of
Huh.
branches it has got, number of ATMs, number of
Okay.
customers, then the total business of the bank as on the available figures, and
Okay.
its unique achievements or awards received by them, and also corporate social responsibility activities in which they are performing.
Okay, sir, sure. The thing is, sir, I've written all these, but when I'm speaking, it did come, and I'm
You've
so sorry. I'll
forgotten.
practice
See,
it,
actually,
Yes, sir.
when you speak about this, whatever I have told you is only positive points. So when you
Yes,
speak
sir.
about it, it tells that you are keen on joining our bank and you have got to know about our bank in detail.
Okay, sir, sure, sir. I'll do it, sir.
Next time you come, you prepare for that fully.
Sure, sure, sir. I'll do it, sir. Thank you,
You are
sir.
a commerce candidate. I will ask a
Yes,
simple
sir.
question.
Yeah, sure, sir. You can ask.
What is a trial balance?
Okay, so in accounting, you have different stages in which you prepare accounts. Okay, so trial balance is one of such stages that is just prepared after a journal. So from trial balance is where you take from trial balance. What happens is you can understand whether the accounts and the transactions that you've prepared is correct or wrong, because from this account next you'll take it to your you'll prepare your final financial statements like your balance sheet and your P&L account.
Hmm. Yeah.
That is what
Yeah,
it
actually, talking about Karnataka Bank, it is very easy to prepare about it because you see,
Yes.
I saw somewhere else. Where is it? Personal ways to buy about us. When you click this about us, you are seeing so
Yes,
many
sir.
things about the bank, about the
Huh.
team, about CSR, about awards achievements,
Words.
gallery. Everything is
Hmm.
given therein. In the gallery,
Hmm.
whatever important pictures they have given, you can tell about it.
Sure, sir. Sir, if I take two points from each and read the next, will it be enough, sir?
Pardon?
Like if I take two points from each of their achievements,
Yeah. That will do.
is it enough?
Two awards,
Okay, sir.
important awards, 2, 3
Okay.
CSR activities like that. You prepare like that. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
How will you canvas for our bank? Say Insurance policies. You are aware for which insurance companies our bank is taking policies?
I know that Karnataka Bank has entered into a bank assurance partnership with HDFC Life Insurance and Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance.
Sufficient. These two sufficient. Please talk on behalf of one of these companies and try to canvas. Of course, this you can do only if you have gone through the salient features of the policies. Did you study them?
No, sir. I didn't study that.
Doesn't matter. Then I will ask another question. Why banks are doing this business?
Bank assurance, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so first we'll understand what is bank assurance. Bank assurance is a partnership between a bank and an insurance company, whereby this is a contract where both of the parties are in a win-win situation, because bank gets its commission from the extra business that it is getting from insurance company, and insurance company here can get a huge clientele base, customer base, that would trustworthy customer base of a bank. So this was the main idea, so that by the year 2047 we can actually achieve our goal of insurance penetration in our country.
Good. Chaitanya, what is your father?
My father's name is Krishnan PV, sir. He works as a factory manager in Vinayaka washing unit.
Actually,
It's a washing company.
in real interview, you don't have to tell the name of personalities. Name of
Okay.
company you can tell in the real interview, not in other places. Doesn't matter.
Sure.
Nothing
Okay.
wrong. Good.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Why should I
Thank you.
select Chaitanya?
Okay. So first thing that I wanna say is, I'm a person who loves to learn. I believe in continuous learning, and I feel that that is what makes a person, survive. Continuous learning, learn, unlearn, and relearn. At the same time, I also understand that I'm not somebody who is very special. There are so many candidates who's there for the same spot, but I could assure you that with the relevant skills that I've studied in my postgrad, or let it be BCom, and relevant skills that I've achieved through my experiences, I can serve the organization as best as I can and provide the relevant services to the organization. So if you choose me as a candidate here, I can promise you that I'll deliver what is required at the most.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Good. Did you have any occasion where you could convince others?
So
Because
I was
because marketing involves you are talking to people to convince them. Did you do that?
Sir, convince people in case I had one, like, as such, I don't have experience in the field of marketing, sir. But I was in my post graduation, I was a class representative I was a class representative. So in that scenario, you have to convince your class for anything. And at the same time, if your class have any issues or they want to convey anything to the department, you have to convince your teachers over there. So that I have handled. There, I have handled the relationship between both, sir, as a bridge
Mhm.
between them.
What are the qualities a leader should have?
First is excellent communication skills, sir. They should be very good in communicating, because they should know what the opposite person needs and then communicate it. Second one, uh, empathetical skills. That is, they should get down into the shoes of the person who's speaking and then convey. Third one, they have to have strong interpersonal skills. At the same time, keen observer to understand what is actually right and what is actually wrong. Before taking any step, you have to strategically analyze what can be the pros and cons of that step and take the decision. At the same time, you should also be good in persuasion, so that you can make
Are
people
you
work.
are you aware of the definition of MSME? What is a micro unit?
So micro, small, and medium enterprises are units. They are they are industries, sir. That they are divided into three types based on their turnover and their investment. So if I'm not wrong, if the investment is, it's 5 crores and 1 crore. I'm just confused with that figure, sir. 5 crores and 1 crore 25
Micro means 1 crore investment in plant and machinery,
and five. Yes,
5
sir.
crore
Okay.
in turnover.
In turnover, yes,
Small means
sorry. And
investment plant and machinery 10 crores
10 crores
and
and
turnover 50 crore.
15. Yes, sir.
50.
Got it, sir.
Then in the case of medium, investment less than 50 crore, 50 crore,
50
and
crores and
turnover less
250
than 250
50
crore.
crores. Yes, sir.
Doesn't matter. Okay. Now, what is the role played by MSME in our economy?
Okay.
This is because
So,
you are Mcom.
yes, sir, sure. I'll try to answer it, sir. Okay. So, micro, small, and medium, and as we know, our economy is composed of majorly the people in our economy belongs to middle income group, and MSME, you can say it is the backbone of our economy because it is the sector where most of our people are employed. Even in our exports, more than around 25% of our exports is also contributed by these MSME sector, and most of our population is also is also working in MSME sector. We know our majority of our population is employed under agricultural sector. The next come MSME sector, which is very prominent in rural areas as well. MSME sectors can include as small as a retail store, as small as a store that you can as a retail store, as a supermarket
Stop.
that you can see.
Stop. You
Yes, sir.
tried to do it, but you were having some problem in presenting it. Please go to Chat GPT and try to know and present it in a proper way. See, you should
Okay,
tell
sir.
MSME, number one, it gives employment for 50% of population.
Okay, sir.
MSME is engaged in manufacturing and services sector.
Hmm.
MSME is giving more than 30% exports in our country,
Okay.
or it is contributing more than 30% of our GDP, something like that. Definite data you must be able to give.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Otherwise, and in your anxiety, you were repeatedly telling employment. 3 times you told employment.
Okay, so I'll check.
Nothing
I'll check
wrong,
that.
but
Yes.
that's because of your anxiety.
Yes, sir. I am able to understand that, sir. Yes.
Yeah. What was important thing happening in Parliament on 31st January 2025?
So it was the economic survey was submitted by our finance minister, sir.
Very good. Economic survey is prepared by whom?
It is prepared by the Department of Economic Affairs, which is under the Ministry of Finance.
Who is CEO of our Affairs Department? Anant Nageshwaran.
Anand Nageshwaran. Yes, sir. I
Good.
remember the second.
Yeah,
Okay.
excellent. Anant Nageshwaran.
Nageshwaran.
Yeah. What happened yesterday in Parliament about the president's speech? What is the controversy
The
between Congress and
controversy
BJP?
is the controversy is that during after the speech, Indira Gandhi gave a reply that shouldn't be given.
Pardon?
So,
Indira
uh,
Gandhi.
sir,
How did you say Indira Gandhi? Sonia Gandhi, na?
I'm so sorry, sir. Sonia Gandhi. Due to anxiety. Sorry, sir.
Hmm.
Sorry. Okay, Sonia Gandhi gave a reply that shouldn't be given, especially for a person who's in that position. So BJP parties were against that. That was the whole problem that was going on yesterday, sir.
Why did you not mention about that Rahul Gandhi? He also has uttered something nonsense.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so actually,
So it
I
doesn't
didn't
matter,
know
but I really appreciate you
about that.
because you did not go into describing about what Sonia Gandhi told. That way it was good. And what was the reply of the president's office for
Okay.
that?
Sir, I didn't read about that yet, sir.
I have posted a video also on that. That's why I asked. Anyhow, best wishes. No, you can
I'm
make
so
it.
sorry, sir. Actually, I
You
didn't.
can you can make it right
I
now. You are 70% eligible to be selected, but balance 30% you have to equip yourself sufficiently so that you get selected.
Yes, sir. Sure, I'll do it, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
You should read about priority sector, then Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, then MSME, then loans, then deposits, demat account, digitalization,
Yeah, okay,
everything
sir.
you should know because you are Mcom.
Yes, sir, sure. So the problem is I have written, I've studied until this day I was doing the same thing, but I don't know why. I think it was because of anxiety that I'm not
Are you
able to see,
working
and I'm
somewhere? Are you working somewhere?
no, sir. No, sir. I'm a whole time preparing. I'm whole
Acha,
time
good,
preparing, sir.
good. Best wishes. You have a bright chance, but concentrate, have belief, and then prepare.
Sure, sir. Thank you so
Believe
much.
in what we are doing, believe in what you are reading from our notes, from the questions, and
Okay,
prepare.
sir.
Because the question they
Sure.
can ask anything.
Hmm.
Um, where are you staying? You are staying in Malleshwaram. What is important of Malleshwaram? They can ask. But it is difficult
Oh,
for us to answer everything. But then you try to manage. If you know, you say yes. If you don't know, you say I don't know.
okay, sir. Thank you. I'll do that, sir. So I had another doubt.
Hmm.
Sir, I have prepared two papers, sir. One is on electric vehicle, the other one is on personal finance. I have prepared, published, and presented both the paper. But now the
You can
problem is I
mention
don't know
it.
to.
You can mention about it in your introduction.
Okay, sir.
The paper was published where?
So it was Thakur College of Engineering and Science, which was in Mumbai. So I presented the paper there. I published and I got Best Paper Award also, sir. But I don't know, like to what extent I need to prepare for that paper for the questions that they ask.
No, no, no. You go through that. What is the content of that paper? What is the learning
Okay.
out of that? And what is the
Okay.
position of electrical vehicle manufacturing in our country now? Which are the
Okay.
top companies in the market? Which country is doing very well in electrical vehicles? What is the name of the vehicle that is doing very well, especially Elon Musk and all? You must know.
Okay. So I'll prepare in that term, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. You did well, but you can do still better.